Hello everyone, this is Amrita and you're watching TechSathi. We are back with another unboxing video for you guys, and this time we have the Vivo V23 5G on our set. Vivo's V series is normally known for its camera, but this phone is not just a winner in terms of camera, it is actually a color changing phone. So I am really excited to unbox it, therefore let's begin with the video. So the phone comes in a shiny glittery kind of box, which is the same as of Vivo V23 5G, and this one we have is in a sunshine gold color. Now you have seen some teasers of the phone changing itself into oranges or bluish color tones, therefore I think it's going to be fun to test that. So let's get rid of the seal. So inside the box, we get the phone first, and beneath it we also get a transparent phone cover. After that we have the 44-watt fast charger from Vivo, and that's not it guys, Vivo V23 also comes with a headphone. Then we have the Type-C charging cable, and we also get a USB-C to headphone jack converter. This thing does not fit right with my mind, but never mind guys. Lastly, we also get a SIM ejector. So that was it for the contents in the box. Now let's check the design of the phone. Here it is. So yes, I think it actually changes color. One moment it looks kind of goldenish, and another moment it turns out to be blue, which I find very tempting. So feature wise this is extremely unique. So this is how it looks indoors. For your reference, we will also click some clips outdoors and attach them on the screen. So design wise it has square edges similar to that of iPhones. These golden edges have a metallic framing, and outlook wise it actually feels premium for the price. Moving on to placements, on the right we have a power button and a volume button. The left side is unoccupied and completely clean, while on the top we have a noise cancellation mic, and on the bottom we have a charging board, speakers and SIM card tray. On the back, it has a triple camera setup with a main camera of 64 megapixels and an 8MP wide lens, followed by a 2MP macro camera, while on the front it has two selfie cameras, one 50MP and another 8MP wide lens. Moving on to display, this phone actually has a screen size of 6.44 inches, which feels really upright. I mean, all the phones I've reviewed in the recent days have had a big screen size with a less comfortable hold, but this one feels quite good. Apart from that, it has an AMOLED display of 90Hz refresh rate, which makes me feel quite skeptical, but about that we will discuss in the full review. Apart from that, this phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which feels pretty responsive. Talking about the software, Vivo V23 runs on Vivo's own Funtouch operating system, which is again based on Android 12, and it has a MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset. This is a great upgrade as per my perspective, and I'm sure the performance of this device is surely going to be a lot smoother. UI wise, it has the same typical Vivo feel, but I think the addition of widgets will make the device more customizable and friendly. So that was it for the basic specs, and I know you guys have been eagerly waiting to know about the cameras. So as usual, we will start with selfies and then move on to test the back cameras. Let's start. The selfies as well as the pictures taken from the rear cameras are all crisp, clear and of really good quality. Especially about the selfies, I like the fact that they're not even a tad bit beautified and the color tone looks absolutely neutral. But again guys, we have tested these cameras in an indoor settings in front of studio lights, so we cannot be really sure about the camera performance. Therefore, in the full review, we will talk about the cameras in details and we will use them in all sorts of indoor and outdoor settings. Lastly, talking about the battery, this phone has a 4200 mAh battery paired with a 44 watt fast charger. As advertised by Vivo, this phone can charge from 1% to 64% within 30 minutes. Well, we have not tested that feature yet, but I am super excited to do that, and we will publish the full review after 2 weeks. I think Vivo is trying to make constant launches every now and then, and it's trying to make its way back into the Nepali market, and I am super thrilled. To sum up, the Vivo V23 5G looks like a decent phone with amazing cameras, premium design and extraordinary feel. So this phone is available for Rs 55,999 in Nepal, and we are going to talk about its value for money in the upcoming video. So until then, keep on watching and loving our videos, and thank you so much for watching. Before going, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to TechSathi.